Hello friends and welcome back to your favorite health channel Wurbal, where we back every claim with research-based evidence. Today we are talking about guava, which is often called the poor man's apple. In this video, we'll dive deep into the health benefits of eating guava every day, the potential guava side effects, how to use guava correctly, and most importantly, who should avoid guava completely. Stick around until the end because we are going to bust some major science-backed myths. For instance, does eating guava cause kidney stones, or do guava seeds cause appendicitis? Every piece of crucial information in this video is based on scientific research and clinical trials, and all the important links are provided in the description. Also, our team loves seeing how far our research is reaching, so please type the name of your city in the comments below. Let's get started. Before we jump into the benefits, let's see what makes this fruit so special. When comparing guava versus orange, vitamin C guava actually packs 4 times more vitamin C than in an orange. It proudly sits on the list of high fiber fruits and is remarkably low in calories. On top of that, it is loaded with potassium, lycopene and powerful antioxidants. Let's begin the countdown of its benefits from 9 down to most important number 1. Benefit 9. Thyroid health. Guava contains a good amount of copper, which helps our body in the production and absorption of hormones. This is incredibly beneficial for keeping our endocrine system, especially the thyroid gland, healthy and functioning perfectly. Benefit 8. Brain and psychological health. Guava is a brilliant fruit for brain power and mental health. It contains vitamin B3 and B6, which improve blood circulation in the brain and relax nerves. Recent scientific research also suggests that guava extract has the ability to stimulate the gut-brain axis and balance neurotransmitters, which reduce stress and improve psychological well-being. Benefit 7. Maternal and fetal health. Eating guava during pregnancy is highly beneficial. It contains a massive amount of folic acid or vitamin B9. This vitamin is absolutely essential for brain and nervous system development of the baby or in the womb. And it protects the newborn from neurological diseases. Benefit 6. Antioxidant and anti-aging. Guava is bursting with antioxidants. The presence of quercetin, gallic acid and lycopene makes it a powerful antioxidant food. It protects our cells from free radical damage, which is the main culprit behind inflammation, cellular damage, and premature aging in the body. Benefit 5. Immunity and wellness. When it comes to vitamin C in guava, it is truly special. It is one of the best immunity boosting fruits because it gives our body the strength to fight off infections. If you have a chronic cough, roasting guava is a highly effective remedy. Roasting it soothes the throat and its natural antibacterial compounds can help fight the infection. Benefit 4. Weight loss and digestion. If you are looking for weight loss fruits, using guava for weight loss is a fantastic choice. Fiber-rich fruits and vegetables keep your stomach full for a longer time. Guava frequently makes the list of the top fruits for reducing belly fat and obesity because it actively aids in shedding weight. It is also highly effective as a gut health food for improving digestion. Guava for digestion is practically a natural medicine for clearing the stomach and relieving constipation. If eaten at the right time, it provides great relief from gas and acidity. Benefit 3. Heart health. Guava is a potassium-rich fruit. It is counted among heart-healthy fruits that actively lower cholesterol. Eating it regularly reduces bad LDL cholesterol and keeps high blood pressure under control. In the pink versus white guava debate, pink guava is especially great here because it contains a high amount of lycopene, which strongly promotes heart health. Similarly, the benefits of black guava are also considered excellent for the heart health due to its deep pigmented antioxidants. Benefit 2. Massive benefit for diabetes. People often ask what they should eat if they have diabetes, or what are the best sugar-free fruits. Guava for diabetes is a profound remedy. It is an excellent fruit for sugar patients and falls perfectly into the category of low GI fruits. Diabetes should definitely eat it because its high fiber prevents sugar from rapidly dissolving into the bloodstream. Eating it helps keep blood sugar levels strictly under control. Benefit 1. Iron absorption and eradicating anemia. This is the most surprising benefit. Medical trials have shown that if guava is eaten alongside iron-rich foods, like lentils or green vegetables, its heavy vitamin C content multiplies the body's ability to absorb that iron. This cures blood deficiencies and anemia very rapidly. Now let's talk about the right way and the right time to eat it. When should you eat guava? Daytime or early morning? Early morning is the best time for it. Eating it in an empty stomach has immense benefits. It speeds up your metabolism and the fiber directly sweeps your intestines clean. What happens if you eat it at night? Our digestion slows down at night. Because guava has so much fiber, eating it at night can cause stomach swelling or bloating. So, should you eat it at night? No. Should you eat it with or without the peel? For diabetes and high cholesterol, eating it without the peel reduces sugar and LDL cholesterol much faster. But for high fiber to cure constipation, you should eat it with peel. How many should you eat in a day? Eating 1 to 2 guavas daily is completely safe and beneficial. But do you know who should avoid guava? Learning this is very important part for you. You must take proper precautions while eating guava. What happens if you eat too much guava? Due to the excessive fiber, it can cause stomach pain, cramps or diarrhea. Who should not eat guava? Kidney patients. People with weak kidneys should absolutely not eat it because it is very high in potassium, which damaged kidneys cannot filter out. Drug interactions. If you are taking blood thinners like warfarin, absolutely do not take guava leaf tea or supplements. The quercetin present in guava drastically amplifies the drug's effect, which can cause internal bleeding. Also, if you are taking heavy diabetes medicines, guava leaf tea can drop your sugar levels down to dangerous state. Now, does eating guava cause kidney stones? Or does the fear of guava seeds appendicitis hold any truth? Medical science has proven this completely wrong. Science studies show that the chances of getting appendicitis from any fruit seeds are less than 0.05%. In reality, guava's fiber keeps your stomach clean and protects you from infections. So friends, those were the amazing benefits, side effects and necessary precautions regarding guava. Hit the like button on this video right now, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. If you haven't written your city's name yet, please type your city's name in the comments right now. To make your health even better, check out other fantastic healthy lifestyle and health tip playlists available in the description. Stay healthy, stay happy. See you in the next video.